Hello viewers. So today I will going to teach you how to install Anaconda software on Windows. So what you have to do for that, just go to Google and in the search box just type Anaconda and enter. So this is very popular software. Okay, once you'll search this, the very first link you'll be getting, that is www.anaconda.com. So just click on that. So it will open that link. If you see here, this page has opened. Now it's clearly written that data science technology for a better world. Okay, so this is a distribution, Anaconda Navigator distribution, where you'll be finding different sets of tools, and that will be very useful for your machine learning as well as for data science. Okay, the multiple tools you will be getting, like Spyder will be there. Spyder is an ID where you can write the program with Python. Then you will be getting a Jupyter Notebook. Then you will be getting IPython, okay, Glueviz. So many various tools you'll be getting uh, in this particular package. So I'll be showing you basically 2 3 tools, and I'll demonstrate you how to use it also. Okay, and let's see now how to download this. So you can go to products. Here you'll be seeing different options available, like individual edition, commercial edition, team edition, enterprise edition, and professional services. So for your purpose, you can use individual edition, because we are not going to download this commercial and enterprise edition. Okay, and so we'll be using this individual edition for our purposes, and I'm just clicking on that. Here download button will be shown. Just click on that download, and it will take you to the Anaconda installers, where you'll be getting in 3 different variants for Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux. For Windows, it will be available in 2 different versions, like for 64-bit and for 32-bit, right? So if your Windows operating system is 32-bit, you please click on this particular option. If it is 64-bit, then you can click on the first option. Then how to check whether your operating system is 64-bit or 32-bit? What you can do, you can simply go to your My Computer, and you can just right click on that, and you can go to Properties. So what I'll do, I'll just go to my computer. Let's say this is my computer. Okay, and I'm doing what, I'll just click on right clicked on that, and then I went to Properties. And if you see, this Properties is open. Here if you see, it's written 64-bit. Okay, system type 64-bit operating system. So this is how you can check whether you can determine whether your system is 64-bit or 32-bit. So most probably you all will be having 64-bit, but you can just check from here. If it is a 64-bit, then you can have the first option. You can click on this, and you can start the download. So for example, I picked over here, and if you see here, the download is started. For me, I have already downloaded it, so I'll just pause this. Okay, I have already downloaded the software. If you see, this is a 467 MB software. So you can just download this particular software. Once the download is over, from here you can just go to show in folder. Okay, show in folder, where the software will be there. So for me, I've already downloaded this software. So it will be displayed like this: Anaconda 3 2020. Okay, and then Windows x86 underscore 64.exe. For installing it, what you can do, you can just double click on this, and then it will start no it will start verifying. Okay, so if you see here, the installer is started. Now what you can do, you can just click on next. You can accept this license agreement, say I agree, and then after that, this option will be there, install for. So just me, you can write, you can select that one. It is by default selected, so you just click on next. And then this is important, where you want to know where you want to install this. So for you, you just select this one, because you'll be installing, this is first time, so install in the C drive. For me, this software is already there in the C drive, so I'll just change this drive to, let's say, G. Okay, and then after that, just click on next. Now the options will be available, like add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable, then register Anaconda 3 as default Python 3.8. Let it be the default one, this one only. Okay, don't do anything, just click on install, and then the installation will start. Okay, it will take some time, and then till this finished. Okay, till this finished, I'll just take you to the software. So once the installation is over, once this particular installation is over, what you can do, you can just go to this Windows Start, search, and there you can type Anaconda. So once you'll write Anaconda, okay, just 2 3 letters, this will appear, Anaconda Navigator. So you can just click on that, and it will start your software. Once you'll click on this, it will start your this software, and then you will get the user interface like this, where you'll be getting lots of tools. For example, the first is Jupyter Lab is there, then Jupyter Notebook is there, this IPython is there, right? Then Spyder is there, Glueviz is there, Orange 3 is there, Rstudio, very important software for doing R programming. Okay, the way we are having the Spyder. Okay, similarly we are Spyder is for Python. Similarly, for we are having Rstudio, which where we can do programming of data science or machine learning in R language. So this is also very important tool which you will be getting. You can click on this install, and this will get installed. Similarly, VS Code is there. Glue is very important for data visualization, okay, across the files and all, and it can also explore the relationship between different related databases. This is also available, very nice tool, and you can install from this particular button simply. And all these the above four, like Jupyter Lab, then Jupyter Notebook, QtConsole of IPython, and then Spyder, you can launch basically from here, so no need to install. So for launching this, what you can do, you can just click on this launch button of Jupyter Notebook, then the Jupyter Notebook will be started. Similarly, you can click on this Spyder launch, and then Spyder ID will be started. Okay, let's see till where our this thing is done. Okay, it is still some time is left. So what you can do, let's say we are clicking on this particular Jupyter Notebook launch, okay, and then it will take you to the launch of the Jupyter Notebook, and you will get the interface like this, and it will be started on your browser. You see here, it is started on the local host, and some port number will be there. Okay, it has started over there, and basically here on this particular page you will be getting lots of files, right? And the files which you have created just now, or the previous history files, will be shown over here. Now, for how to proceed with this Jupyter Notebook, what you can do, you can just click on this new from here. Okay, if you click on this new, it will show you the option. What I want a Python notebook. Okay, so I'll just click on this Python 3. It will open one page where we can write the code. So if you're familiar with the Google Colab, it's exactly similar to this Jupyter Notebook. Okay, both are same. You will have the same field, right? Google Colab is also, I mean, the Google, writing the code in Google Colab is same as this Jupyter Notebook. So it will start one notebook where we can write our Python code and we can execute it. So it's starting it. It's taking some time. Okay, our installation is remaining still. So if you see here, it has started this, and different options are available, like file is there, edit is there, view is there, insert is there, cell, kernel, and help is there. And if you see here, this is the first cell is shown where we can write the code. Okay, it's up to you whether you can select this one for writing the code or for writing the this thing for text. Okay. For example, let's say, and there is a run button. So after writing the code you can just run it, and you can see the output over here only. And the benefit of this one is you can document it very clearly, and you can save this particular file. You can also download the documentation and the entire code in some HTML file. Okay, some different formats are also supported, and that you can easily download, or you can take with you, or you can just mail to your Gmail account. The way we are having the Google Colab. So the advantage of Google Colab, we don't have to, we don't have to carry anywhere. It's already there in our Google Colab. and whenever we require we can just log into our Gmail account and we can start, right? But if you want to do on this particular software, then obviously this options are available. Now what I can do, I can write certain code, let's say a equal to, okay, it's taking time, it is still not started fully. So it has written a equal to 10, then let's say b equal to 20, right? Then I'm saying sum is equal to a plus b. So this three lines code I have written, and if you want to execute it, you can just click on this and it has executed, right? Suppose here, and this is a new cell is open. Suppose here I'm writing print hello, right? And this I want to execute, then it has given here the output. So this is how you can use the Jupyter Notebook once you'll be starting with the tutorial, and then at that time you'll be learning one by one different programs how to do in this, and you will also get familiar with the different options of this one. Similarly, you can start the Spyder. Okay. Once you'll click over here on the Spyder launch, this particular software will be initialized. And this is an ID where you can do the Python programming. So let's say we can click on this new option, and it will open a new file. So from that file, you can write your program. This old program I've written over here, so it was already open. And let's say the same thing I'm writing. For example, a equal to 10, then b equal to 20. Then let's say sum is equal to a plus b, right? Then let's say print high, right? Whatever you want, you can do the coding over there. This is basically ID. So if you are familiar with NetBeans and all those IDs, that kind of ID this is, where you will be. So for the development purpose, it is very useful. Okay, if you're a software developer, and here there is a green button. If you click on this, it will execute the code. And if you see here on the right corner, right down corner, this will show that it is running, and then you will be getting the output on this particular console. Okay, it will show you the output. So basically it will run, and some error is there, equal to is missing. I'll again run it. See, the high output is there. So this is how you can use this Spyder notebook, Spyder software, right? So the advantage of that Anaconda navigator is basically you are getting all these different tools like JupyterLab, then the Jupyter Notebook, IPython, Spyder. IPython is basically where you can do the Python programming on a console. It is a console based, right? Most people will prefer this Jupyter Notebook. It's very good, or you can do in the Spyder, right? This Rstudio is also very good software, right? You can install this particular software if you want to do the programming in R language. Now let's see till where our download. Okay, it's still taking time. So what I wanted to tell you that after this is over, the last day will be getting something like this. So I'll show you the basically all the steps, and in my video description box I'll be giving this particular link also, so where the step-by-step description is there, how you can install on the Windows. So basically, to download this there is a link, right? Then after that, click next is there, then read the license and agree, and then say click I agree. All the steps documented, and you'll be getting basically the screens like this. To download, select the drive, then if you are clicking on the next, okay, then after that you'll be getting this, which we have already seen. Then we will say install, and then the further steps will be there, right? Then after this the last screen will be shown like this. Before that it will show you one thing where you have to check that include by default in the path. Okay, so in the library path it will tell you to include if it is showing like this. For example, it was there, add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. So you can check that one and you can install it. Let me check. Okay, it's still taking time. So all the steps over here, it's there. I'll just put this particular link, okay, below my video description box, and you can just read. Everything is documented, and you can just basically go through all the different softwares also, right? And if you want those softwares, you want to see it, you can just install it. You can at this particular time, I'll tell you that if you're doing Python, then Python programming, then you can just see all these four options. This QtConsole will be doing, you will be doing on console. If you want to do on the console, then this is good. Okay, and this Jupyter Notebook is there. Second thing, you are aware of the Google Colab also. Okay, for the Google Colab, my video is there. You can just see that particular video. And then this Spyder software is there, ID, right? So basically, you just get familiar yourself with these four different options of uh, Anaconda Navigator. So just follow all the steps, and this software will get installed. So I think this video will be helpful for you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video.